Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make a Pareto chart. So problem number 3, the following is a frequency table from a sample of students on their favorite media app. Construct a Pareto chart. So a Pareto chart is a bar graph where the bars start big and they get small. So you can do this by hand without any software, but let's use the software. So I've already typed in everything into the software, so you'll see that in a second. So basically we'll make one column with media apps and then one column with frequencies like this. So here we have media apps, so I renamed it, and here we have frequencies. Okay, so to make the Pareto chart, you go to Graph, Bar Plot with Summary. So you type everything in, so Facebook 1754, Instagram 1067, right? That's straight from here. Okay, straight from here. And then you go to Graph, Bar Plot with Summary. Okay, and then you left click. Then it says Categories in. We'll just pick the first thing, that's the media app. Counts in, those are your frequencies. Then here's the really important part. Right here where it says order by, you want to order by count descending. Okay, count descending. Let me do that again in case you blinked. So you go to Graph, Bar Plot with Summary. You pick categories, so pick the first thing, then just pick the second thing, and then order by count descending. Okay, and then click Compute, and the moment of truth, here we go. Not so bad. Yeah, I hadn't done this problem yet, so I didn't know what it would look like exactly, but that's pretty cool. So then on your paper, you would just graph your Pareto chart. So let's see. So there's our vertical axis, and here is our horizontal axis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 categories. So I'm just going to put FB for Facebook, TW for Twitter, IN for Instagram, OT for other, PI for Pinterest, and S, I'll spell Snapchat. All right. And then we have a vertical scale. We have some numbers, 500, 1,000, 1,500. So maybe this is 500, this is 1,000, and this is 1,500. And just give it your best attempt whenever you're doing these. And then we need to draw the bars. So this is the hard part because I don't have a ruler. So that's one bar, that's Facebook. You can see here Facebook dominates the other categories, right? So that's the point of a Pareto chart, at least in my opinion. It clearly shows what category is superior to the others, or more popular in this case, and by how much. You see how big that bar is. That's a really big bar compared to the other ones. Then other is down here. That's like a little bit over 500 for other, it seems, according to the Pareto chart. Then Pinterest is a little bit less than 500. And then Snapchat is way down here. And that's it. That would be the Pareto chart. I hope that helped.